Previously, I have discussed the voice change of tense. Different tenses, how voice change will be, I have already taught you and discuss you. Today, we shall discuss voice change according to the sentence. Sentence, 5 kinds: assertive, imperative, interrogative, optative, and exclamatory. Assertive sentence according to tense you have learned. Today we shall discuss first imperative sentences voice change. Imperative sentence are 3 types: comment or request, request, and advice. First we shall learn how voice change will be comment or order type of sentence. To change the voice, you will have to write first let, then object, then verb, then third form of past participle form of verb. Active, do this work. So do is the verb here. This work is object. At first you will have to write let, then this work is object, I have written this work, then verb I have written, then third form of verb, do, did, done. Second example, active, shut the door. Shut is verb, the door object. First will be let, then object the door will be, then verb, then third form of shut is shut here. Then we shall discuss how voice change will be of request type of sentence. To do the voice change, if you see the sentence indicates the request, at first you will have to write you are requested to plus verb and rest of the sentence. Verb to rest of the sentence. Please give me a pen. You will have to write you are requested to. So give is verb, from here to last you will have to write to give me a pen. Okay. So comment and request type of voice change I have discussed. Now we shall discuss how will be the voice change of advice type of sentence. To change the voice of advice, first you will have to write object, then should be, then third form of verb. Okay. Active, help the poor. First will be object, the poor is object, help verb, the poor is object. So at first I will write the poor, then I have written should be, then third form of verb or past participle form of verb, helped. Another example, active, listen to your teacher. First you will have to write object, your teacher, then should be, then third form of verb, listened to. Okay. Now we will do some exercises. Now I have written 5 exercises. Number 1 is there, switch off the fan. It is imperative sentence, but it is order or request or advice. It is order. So according to the order rules, you will have to write let the fan be switched off. SWITCH. Okay. Number 2 exercise, please put up your shoes. It is request. So at first you will have to write you are requested to from verb to rest of the sentence, put off your shoes. Okay. Number 3, tell him to go. It is imperative sentence order. Him change into he. So at first you will write let, then he be told, let he be told to go. Number 5 exercise, love the children. It is imperative sentence advice. So first will be the children, then should be, then third form of main verb loved, L-O-V-E-D. Keep your word. This is also imperative sentence advised. So at first you will have to write object your word, then should be, then third form of main verb keep, kept. Okay. Now we shall discuss the voice change of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is two types we know. Number 1, yes no question, and number 2, WH question. Okay. At first we shall learn according to voice change according to yes no question. First sentence I am writing here, active. Do you want the books? Do you want the books? Okay. So to change the voice, you will first change it to statement. If you write it in the statement, what will be? You want the books. So use subject, want verb, the books, object. So according to simple present we shall change the voice. What will be? The books are want, third person, third form wanted, third form of verb, by you. And next you will change it into interrogative sentence. If you write are at the beginning of a sentence, then it will be changed into interrogative sentence. Okay. Are the books wanted by you? Okay. Take another example. If you take another example, are you buying some sweets? Active. Are you buying some sweets? Okay. So this also you will change into statement. You are buying some sweets. Now change it voice. Use subject are buying verb, some sweets object. So according to present continuous tense, you will have to change it. Some sweets are by what by you. Next, change into interrogative sentence. Here also you will, if you write are at the beginning of a sentence, it will be changed into interrogative sentence. Passive what will be? Are some sweets bought by you? Okay, you will not have to write these two sentences to understood to you. I have written these two sentences, so no need of writing these two sentences. Okay. So here I have given some exercises of interrogative sentence voice change. Has Ashok read the book? So if you write it in statement, Ashok has read the book. So it is present perfect tense. Change the voice. The book has been read by Ashok. And if you write that has at the beginning of a sentence, that will be the interrogative sentence voice change. Has the book been read by Ashok? Okay. Now second one, did you write the letter? Make it statement. When you are making its statement, you wrote the letter. Okay. Change the voice according to past indefinite tense. The letter was written by you, and you will have to write was at the beginning of sentence. Was the letter written by you? Okay. Third one, had he drawn the picture? If you write it in the statement, he had drawn the picture. According to past perfect tense, change the voice. The picture had been drawn by him. Change into interrogative sentence. Had the picture been drawn by him? Fourth one, shall we help her? You already understood that it is written in future indefinite tense. So make it statement, we shall help her. Change the voice, her will be changed into here she. She will be helped by us. Will or shall, if you write at the beginning of the sentence, will be the answer. Will she be helped by us? Okay. Number 5 exercise, was he carrying a load? If you make it statement, what will be? He was carrying a load. According to past continuous tense, change it. A load was being carried by him. Make it interrogative sentence. Was a load being carried by him? Okay. Now we shall discuss WH question voice change. Active, I have written what do you want. If you write it in the statement, you remove WH or what, and to interrogative sentence I have written do remove. So what is left? You, subject, want, verb. Object is not here. What have I written? You want X object. So according to present indefinite tense, we shall change the voice. X is wanted by you. So in the place of X, if you write WH or what is wanted by you. And all other WH words, you will have to follow the same rules, but in the case of who, there is something different. Active, who will buy the ticket? So in the place of who, I have written a name to understand to you. Ram will buy the ticket. Ram, subject, will buy, verb, the ticket, object. Change the voice according to future indefinite tense. The ticket will be bought by Ram. Okay. So instead of who, write by whom. By whom. Will be the beginning of a sentence to make it interrogative. By whom will the ticket be bought? So here is Ram is not here. I have written previously Ram will not be. Ram will not be. In this way you have to do. So here is given 5 exercises. Which one do you prefer? Which one I will write directly here. Do you prefer? Do left. So what is do remove? What is left there? You prefer. You prefer X. Present indefinite tense, if I tell X is preferred by you. So what will be the answer? Which one is preferred by you? Number 2, who did it? If you see who, you will have to write by whom. It is object. Past indefinite tense, Ram did it. It was done by Ram. Was it done by Ram? By whom was it done? So Ram is not there, Ram will not have to write. Okay. When has he gone? Present perfect tense. Write when directly here. Has he gone? He has gone home. Home has been gone by him. Has home been gone by him? Has home been gone by him? Okay. write directly where here. You are going X. So X is being gone by you. Where is being gone by you. Okay. When will you make it? Directly write when here. Make it statement. You will make it. Change the voice. It will be made by you. When will it be made by you? Okay, today I have discussed the voice change of imperative sentence and interrogative sentence, and later we shall discuss or rest of the rules. Then it will be finished of discussing of the voice change. Okay.